Okay, so area and perimeter of this figure. So our first step is going to be to box the figure in, meaning we're going to create a rectangle that makes contact with each of the vertices. So here's our rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length times width, and so that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 by 7. So 10 times 7 is 70. We're going to have triangle 1, and that's the same as triangle 3. Triangle 2 is going to be the same as triangle 4. And so I will figure out the area of triangle 1. Area of a triangle is base times height over 2. So 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5 over 2, 7.5. Area of triangle 2. Base times height over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 2. So 14 over 2 is going to be 7. Area of triangle 3 is going to be the same as triangle 1. Area of triangle 4 is going to be the same as triangle 2. And so we are going to have an area of 70 minus 7.5 minus 7 minus 7.5 minus 7. So again, we're just taking that entire rectangle, subtracting the triangles, and that will leave us with the area of the rectangle in the middle. So that is 29, 70 minus 29 is 41. That rectangle has an area of 41 square units. Okay, perimeter is a little bit more work, but not terrible. Again, I can pick any 2 points that are connected by a line and do that for my first round of doing perimeter here. So I will go from A to B. So AB will have vertices of -2, 4 and 5, 2. So I'll make this my x1, y1, x2, y2, and d squared is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And so, again, always with the template first. And so x2 is 5, x1 is -2, y2 is 2, y1 is 4. So d squared is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and change that double negative to a plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 2 minus 4 is -2. So d squared is 49 plus 4. D squared is 53. And take the square root of both sides. Square root of 53 is 7.28. Okay, so up here on the figure, that line right there, AB, has a length of 7.28. And if I recognize this as a rectangle, so well, maybe not a rectangle, it might be a rhombus of some kind, but the AB and CD are the exact same length, and so that is also going to be 7.28. Now we need to do the distance formula a second time. This time I will do AD. And so my points will be -2, 4, and -5, -1. x1, y1, x2, y2. We'll have our formula. So d squared is equal to x2 is -5. Oops. Schlegel is breaking my own rule. You have to do the template first. Okay, x2 is -5. x1 is -2. Y2 minus y1 is -1 minus 4. We're going to have the double negative become a plus. And so that gives me -5 plus 2 is -3. Plus -1 minus 4 is -5. D squared is 9 plus 25. D squared is 34.
Yeah, I don't see that student.
Square root both sides. Square root of 34 is 5.83. Okay, so now this side over here, 5.83, and this side over here, 5.83. So to get the perimeter, I need to add 7.28 plus 5.83 plus 7.28 plus 5.83. Oops. That gives me 26.22. So 26.22 is my perimeter. 41 is my area.